The Ferrari 488 Spider is the latest chapter in Maranello's ongoing history of open-top V8 sports cars. Starting with the retractable hardtop around which the entire car was developed, every area of the 488 Spider has been designed to set new technological benchmarks for the sector. The result is astonishing. It is the most powerful Ferrari Spider ever built. The color is called the Rosso Corsa. New diffuser with curved fences and active aero. This one has the exterior sill, kick in carbon fiber. The interior is called the Beige Tradizione. This Ferrari has also the variable torque management lever, and we're now in the beautiful interior of the 488 Spider. LED lights, navigation screen. You can also buy it with full beige dash. This is the 488 GTB. I also filmed that one, and I will show the sound of the 488 in the video. You can check my channel Ala1061. I also filmed this one. This one has different seats and different interior. It has 670 horsepower. It has 760 Newton meters of torque. That's 560 pounds-feet of torque. 0 to 62 in 3 seconds flat. And 0 to 200 kilometers per hour in 8.7 seconds. Maximum revs per minute is at 8000 RPM. The engine is a 3.9 liter V8, 90 degrees dry sump. Front is characterized by a single grille opening. It has new headlights with new daytime running lights. New wider air intakes to cool the more powerful engine. New bonnet with aerodynamically functional air vents. The 488 Spider sporty new 20-inch wheels are lighter too. Thanks to the new Brembo Extreme Design braking system, the 488 Spider's stopping distance are 9% shorter than the previous model. The hardtop unfolds and retracts in a record of 14 seconds and can be raised or lowered when the car is moving. Sculpted mesh grille on air vents. New LED taillights. It has a blown rear spoiler, aerodynamic vents for bass bleed effect. Two tailpipes are positioned higher and wider to boost the efficiency on the rear diffuser. It has a F1 inspired fog light. The seats are the Daytona style seats. When the roof is down, you have 100 liters of space, and when it's up, you have 150. Mirror adjustments, fuel cap release, hood release. carbon fiber Ferrari door sill, memory seat, 3-person setting, adjustable seats heated as well. Even the carpets are colored with logo. The steering wheel has the carbon fiber and the LEDs at the top for the shifting. It is very easy to drive to the limit with this 488 Spider. It has the latest new system of Ferrari, side slip angle control system, SSC2. The response times are 9% more rapid than the previous Spider. Carbon fiber central bridge and carbon fiber upper tunnel trim. And this Ferrari has the high-end hi-fi system. You can also buy it with the passenger display. With this you can adjust the mood of the car, sport, race, vet, push button ignition. You can adjust the suspension. This is for the gear changes, automatic headlights. You can also raise the front of the car, so you don't touch the ground with the nose, with the beautiful nose. Dimming rearview mirror. Which one is nicer, the GTB or the Spider? You can comment below. Thanks for watching. I got the 61.